Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make floating effect to the object in your video by using Capcut app. Let's start. At first you have to choose the background for your video and then put it on your timeline, and then I'm going to add overlays here. I'm going to use them as my object, and then let's remove the background. After that, I'm going to arrange the object in this video like this, and in here let's use animations. Now it looks good, and now let's go to effects, tap on effect and then search play pendulum, and then you guys will find out this effect. If you use this on your object, then you guys will find out a floating effect on your object like this. You guys can use them on your video. So this is how you guys can get floating effect in your object by using Capcut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.